Hi there, it's Anita Kaiser from Anita Kaiser Wellness. This week I thought my video for you would be on checking in and noticing what yes and no feels like in your body. So in our society, we're really busy, right? You stop for a chat with your friend. You say, how's it going? And they say, busy, 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 busy. We're very busy. It's what seems to be rewarded. And of course, there are things that we need to be busy with. There are times in our lives that are busy and we need to create something or finish something or, work towards something, of course. But we don't always need to be busy, 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 busy all the time. And in that busyness, what ends up happening is you can't hear yourself. You can't hear your inner workings, and you can't hear what your yes and your no is internally. So one of the things I like to do when I'm working with people in coaching, I like to help them discover what their yes and what their no is. So I want you to take a few minutes and maybe think of something that's going on for you right now, something that you need a yes or a no on and you're unsure. And this can be a business decision, it can be a personal thing, it can be something as simple as, whether to go to that party down the street or whatever it is for you today. Just allow yourself to come up with this question. And take a few minutes to ponder it. It's been something you've been playing with in your mind, going back and forth. Should I do this? Shouldn't I do this? What is it? Yes, no, maybe so, right? So take a minute to get yourself comfortable, sit, stand, whatever. Take a few deep breaths and allow yourself to notice how your body feels. Really press your feet down, straighten the spine. Take a few deep breaths and really notice. And if you can breathe in and out through your nose, do that. And if that doesn't feel right, then maybe you need to breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. Just really get present in your body. Think of this question, this scenario that you've got going on. Take a few more deep breaths. And then let that question go and just notice your body. Notice how it's feeling. And then think of something in your life where you have a resounding no. There is no question about this no. It is a no, a capital N, a capital O. Think about that no in your life. And notice how it feels in your body. Breathing deeply here. Feel that no in your body. And then when you're ready, think of something that is a resounding yes in your life. Again, there's no question. It's a Y-E-S, capital yes. You are sure you want that. Think about that. Notice how it feels. Really feel that yes. And then when you're ready, clear the mind. Take a few more deep breaths. Come back to your original question, the question that's plaguing you, the question that you're not sure what the decision is. Allow that question to play in your mind. Really feel the energy of that question, that situation, that scenario. And once you really feel that question, that situation, notice whether your body is feeling a yes or whether your body is feeling a no. Breathe. Is it a yes or is it a no? And then take a few more deep breaths. And remember, you can come back to this kind of decision-making tool at any point. Allow yourself to stay present with that awareness of what a yes feels like for you and what a no feels like for you. And if you have any questions or comments, I'd love for you to leave those below. Let me know if this worked out for you. Let me know if it helped. Let me know how you're doing. Take care, and we'll see you next week.